good morning and happy Thanksgiving. So, today we are duck hunting. It is opening day of our South Zone duck hunting in Missouri. We are on the opening day of the first part of our split. So we have, it's 4 days, 7 days off, and then our South Zone opens. So we are heading out to the lease right now. We're going to meet Damon, Garrett, and Keely out there. Skylar is in Texas visiting his in-laws. So I told him he needed to try and do some duck hunting down there, but it's a lot more headache than it's worth right now. So that might come up in the future. We'll see. But all right, guys, stay tuned. When we get out to the lease, well, get everything set up and ready to go. Okay, so we got all the decoys out, layout set up. One of the property owners out here, one of the co-owners, decided he was going to come out and burn all the brush off the entire bank line. That's fun, but it is currently shooting light. I just parked my truck and I'm making my way back to the layouts. So see you on the layouts. Thank you. I will need it shortly. You just trying to get enough good luck to maybe hit a duck this morning? Signal? Yeah, they definitely do. I got the white trash nectar. Gas station chicken strips. They were hot an hour ago. I've done a lot more duck hunts with this group than you have. I'd be the curse so far. Down. No, not duck. I said down.
I thought he said damn.
I heard down. I was thinking, shit, ducks, weird.
No, I'll just say duck.
I'm listening better than Oakley is. You told me down, I was doing what Oakley should have done. Shit.
There you go. Anyone else want that? Oh, what's that?
Idea.
It's burning my inside of my crotch.
I can smell it.
Yeah. Smell burning nutsack.
You need to paint that thing green.
Yeah, I do. Bro.
Maybe, I don't know.
Who was that? I thought that was someone else. I don't think that was Coy. I thought that was someone else.
Hey, let me call him real quick and tell him what we're gonna do. So they've got a heads up. So if they fly over them, they can have those.
Where are they at?
Down On the other end.
Oh, really?
South corner.
I haven't seen Dave in a couple years. I used to go buy him shoes and stuff.
Oh, fuck you.
Huh?
I said, oh, fuck you. That bird. Hey, I just give you a heads up. We've got geese be ready in case they fly over you guys. No problem. Coot. There's a couple coots out here. Yeah, but he's gonna slip over the dam and down to him. There's like 8 or so of them.
There's
So.
7. Oh.
Yep. Bye. Okay.
They're not gonna come close enough.
Not for us.
There's 7.
That motherfucker would have to be sprinting.
Nope. Gage, come back.
Yeah. They seen Gage walking, they're like, this guy's gonna come try to shoot us. Let's go.
Yeah, man's getting shot by the weekend.
Did they not come close enough to you guys?
No.
Huh?
Did they not come close enough to you?
No. They're halfway across the pond still.
Hey, they're circling.
Are they?
They're circling.
Are they?
Behind me.
I can't call, Gage.
I'm just saying. There you go.
Yeah, this fucking goose call sucks.
Why didn't you get the other one?
The
Isn't
flute?
the other one on there?
No, it's at the fucking house.
Why?
Because it's on my other call lanyard.
What the fuck picked them up?
You?
Just getting up like that did?
Yeah.
Because it's in the daylight. Hey, there's either a loon or a duck or a pie.
Not a duck. Too big. It's a loon.
That's why I said a loon or a
Hey,
duck,
look.
honey.
Then I was instructed to not let you shoot a coot. You. Why? Not let you shoot a coot.
Oh, Skylar. I will do my best.
Why is... They're still rifle hunting.
Yeah, it's still rifle season.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
26 ended.
You said
No.
it ended Tuesday.
Chronic wasting disease started today. Yeah, that's yesterday.
Oh.
So basically extends rifle season for another 5 days.
You and
Oh, you're gonna make me get up and give it to
you're I would do if you're closer.
you. Hold on just a second.
Chicken strip.
That works. Fuck you, chicken.
Oh shit, I probably one of our 15 fucking phones I have right now. What are you doing? Your butt was just out that side.
Oakley, stop being creepy. right above us. Wait, they're gonna be gone now.
Garrett,
What?
They're
call.
right above us. Ain't working from the way I blind. Go out with the decoys and act like a duck. Got another solo coming in.
Huh?
Got another solo. It's coming down fast. Jesus Christ.
He's hauling.
You must be the dumb one on the bunch.
Well, he's cuffing. He's dropping. That must be a teal.
He's circling over the gauge right now.
Do what?
He's circling over there.
But he's cuffing.
Above the island.
He's gonna drop at some point.
Nice. He's right above
Left. Right there.
Oakley, please. You dumb bitch. Lay down. Fine. Educated birds. Huh?
Oh, I thought it was. It looked like he was trying to pick on that.
No, no, it's hard to fucking tell what the rest of
He's circled this way. He's hooked and cuffing. But he's still high.
Or I'm still hidden.
Three.
Am I hidden?
Yeah. Where the fuck are they at?
Right behind us.
Oh, there they are. It's a 2-pack. Nope, too far.
I'm screaming now.
They're fucking hauling.
They're dropping over here. He's hauling.
Yeah, you go ahead and call, buddy. I can't do it for shit.
No, hey.
Hey, they're way too far away, really?
shot might not have been bad, but still a little far.
Damn bigger than shit.
Cool.
Damn. Man, I was hoping that big group was circling back.
Ah, this circle.
Yeah,
I know,
they did.
I'm
I
not-
was so excited. I was like, yeah!
I'm not good enough at calling to get them to hook. Hey, right over, they're gonna come right over the top of us, maybe. Yep, right over the top of us.
Seriously?
We suck.
Fuck you, motherfucker!
Fucking do that to me.
I don't know how I fucking missed that one.
I was loading shells on the way through fire.
I only had one shell in.
I should have loaded them up before, damn it.
Oh, there's another gun laying right next to, in between me and you that had loaded.
Fuck. Oh well.
I think he's just tossing the bitches.
Oh yeah, geese are fucking tough.
I was pretty sure I was on one of them. Well, damn.
Well, worth a try.
Yeah. We have shot.
They're up high. Damon, crouch down.
Fuck.
Hey, duck. Hey, duck.
Yeah, I see it.
No, he's turning. Circling back over us.
Well, that's nice.
What? Fuck? I
Oh,
was gonna let him try and swim over.
whoa.
He won't.
Try to call him again.
Nope, he's done. He won't come back. I was trying to get close enough so I could water swat him because I know he was close enough for me to water swat.
I gotta work on my shooting because I freaking suck. So, we'll duck hunt again this weekend. Hey, yo, guys, what's going on? So, a couple things. Number one, this property still has the opening day curse. Any opening day, we've not done good or shot anything. I will admit today, so it's because of my shooting. Ducks, we only saw 4. One only ever hit the water, and he landed about middle of the pond. So one of the other guys has a better shot. Tried to water swat him, didn't work. But the geese, man, you'll see in the you guys seen the video. The geese flew right over us a couple times. I only took a shot on, I think, 2 groups of them. One of them I should have hit something, and it's my shoot that's messing that up. So apologize for that. But we'll be back out here again this weekend, probably Sunday. We'll be back out here, and hopefully we'll have a better day. Another guy that hunts this property has an agreement with the owner, was out here. We set up on the west side of the property. He set up on the east side of the property. And they left early. They left like 8 o'clock because just nothing was flying in. But it's all right. I still had fun being out here. Got to hang out with the guys and Kaylee. So I do hope you all enjoyed the video. You actually got to see a lot more birds in this video than usual. So that is a good thing. But we'll be back out here again. I have another loose property. I might try and go hunt. It is Thanksgiving. I might go try and hunt it either tomorrow or Saturday before we come back out here Sunday. So hope you all enjoyed this video, guys. This is going to be the end. If you guys like this type of content of me missing birds and hunting in Southwest Missouri, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna try to be better about posting regularly. We'll see what happens. It's hard. So until the next video, guys, see ya.